When it comes to buying a car, reliability is often the most crucial factor for many drivers. Today, we're diving into the top 12 most reliable cars in 2024. From luxury sports cars to dependable family SUVs, these vehicles offer a perfect blend of style, performance, and durability. Whether you're after a thrilling driving experience or a workhorse to handle your toughest jobs, there's something for everyone. Let's explore these reliable cars for 2024. Starting us off at number 12, 2024 Porsche 911. The Porsche 911 remains one of the most iconic sports cars on the road, and the 2024 model is no exception. Starting at around $114,400, it continues to deliver top-notch performance with a turbocharged flat-six engine producing up to 473 horsepower. On the exterior, the sleek curves and timeless design catch eyes on the road, while the interior offers luxurious materials, advanced technology, and supportive seating for an exhilarating driving experience. Built for speed and precision, the 911 is a masterpiece that balances luxury with top-tier performance and reliability. Coming in at number 11, 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. The 2024 Chevrolet Equinox stands out as one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. With a starting price around $28,000, it offers great value for everyday drivers. Its refreshed exterior features a bold front grille and modern LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive look. Inside, the Equinox offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, equipped with user-friendly technology, including a standard 7-inch touchscreen and smartphone integration. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, it delivers a smooth and responsive ride with respectable fuel efficiency. At number 10, 2024 Porsche Boxster. For those seeking a convertible with remarkable performance and reliability, the 2024 Porsche Boxster is a top contender. Starting at $66,950, the Boxster boasts a sleek and aerodynamic exterior design, perfect for open-top driving enthusiasts. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit offers premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional craftsmanship. Its mid-engine layout and up to 394 horsepower make it a joy to drive, delivering sharp handling and excellent balance. The Boxster is the epitome of a luxury sports car, combining dynamic performance with everyday usability. Next at number 9, 2024 Nissan Murano. The 2024 Nissan Murano is a reliable midsize SUV known for its stylish design and refined ride. With a starting price of around $38,000, it offers a sculpted exterior with a floating roofline and sharp body lines. The interior is equally impressive, providing ample space, high-quality materials, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 260 horsepower, the Murano delivers a smooth and comfortable driving experience, making it a great choice for families seeking both comfort and dependability. Taking the 8th spot, 2024 Lexus GX. For those in need of a luxury SUV that's rugged yet reliable, the 2024 Lexus GX delivers in spades. Priced at around $60,000, this midsize SUV combines classic body-on-frame construction with refined interior comforts. The exterior retains a bold and aggressive stance, while the interior offers plush leather seating, wood trim, and modern technology. Powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine, the GX is built for both on-road comfort and off-road prowess. With its unmatched reliability and luxury appointments, it's a versatile SUV for all terrains. Number 7 on the list, 2024 Nissan Titan. The 2024 Nissan Titan is a powerful and reliable full-size truck with a starting price of approximately $43,000. The Titan features a muscular and bold exterior design with a prominent front grille and large LED headlights. Inside, the cabin is spacious, offering durable materials and a modern infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen. Its 5.6-liter V8 engine produces 400 horsepower, delivering impressive towing capabilities and a smooth ride. Whether for work or leisure, the Titan provides the performance and reliability truck enthusiasts expect. Landing at number 6, 2024 GMC Terrain. The 2024 GMC Terrain is a compact SUV that excels in reliability, offering a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Priced from around $31,000, the Terrain sports a refined exterior with a bold front grille and sleek lines. Inside, it's packed with premium materials and tech features, including a standard 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, the Terrain offers a smooth ride with commendable fuel economy, making it a solid choice for those looking for a dependable everyday SUV. Coming in at number 5, 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If heavy-duty reliability is your priority, the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is hard to beat. With a starting price of around $46,000, this truck is built to handle the toughest jobs. Its bold, commanding exterior is complemented by a spacious and functional interior, equipped with durable materials and the latest technology. Powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine, it offers incredible towing capabilities and impressive power. Whether you're hauling equipment or navigating rough terrain, the Silverado 2500 HD is built to get the job done while maintaining reliability. Next at number 4, 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid. The 2024 Toyota Camry Hybrid combines the reliability of the Camry with excellent fuel efficiency. Starting at $28,000, this hybrid sedan offers a sleek exterior design with modern touches, including sharp LED headlights and a refined front grille. Inside, the Camry Hybrid boasts a comfortable cabin with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. Its hybrid powertrain delivers a combined 208 horsepower and provides impressive fuel economy, making it an eco-friendly yet reliable choice for daily driving. In third place, 2024 Toyota Camry. A staple of reliability for decades, the 2024 Toyota Camry continues to impress with its solid performance and comfortable ride. Priced from $27,000, the Camry offers a stylish exterior with sharp lines and a distinctive grille. Inside, the cabin is spacious and well-appointed with comfortable seating and an 8-inch touchscreen display. Its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. The Camry remains a top choice for those seeking a dependable midsize sedan that doesn't compromise on style or performance. Runner-up at number 2, 2024 Chevrolet Blazer. With a starting price around $36,000, the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer is a midsize SUV that blends sporty design with reliable performance. The Blazer's aggressive exterior features sharp lines, a bold front fascia, and LED lighting. Inside, the cabin is spacious and equipped with premium materials and a standard 10.2-inch touchscreen with advanced connectivity features. Its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers a lively driving experience with plenty of power for daily commutes or weekend adventures. The Blazer is a great option for those seeking reliability with a sporty edge. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, 2024 Ram 1500. At the top of the list is the 2024 Ram 1500, known for its unrivaled reliability in the full-size truck segment. Starting at around $37,000, the Ram 1500 features a rugged yet refined exterior design with a bold grille and sleek headlights. Inside, the Ram offers one of the most luxurious cabins in its class, with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a large infotainment screen. Powered by a range of V6 and V8 engines, including a hybrid option, the Ram 1500 delivers a smooth ride, impressive towing capacity, and unmatched dependability.